welcome back to our channel Try to DIY. This is Camille and today we're gonna do that. It's a very quick and very easy project. You can finish it in one afternoon, and the plus side is that I found everything at the dollar store, so it's a very cheap project as well. We're gonna do two different styles, so you can choose the one that you like best. This will add a third dimension to your wall and decoration. Alright, let's get started. For this project, I use a utility knife, painter tape, a pair of scissors, a glue gun, paint brushes, paint, floral foam, faux succulent, a square canvas that is 29 by 29 centimeters, and I guess it's called a 3D canvas because it's very thick. This one is 3.5 centimeters. I started by taping in diagonal half of the canvas and use yellow acrylic paint to paint one half with a large flat brush. Once the paint is dry, remove the tape and let's start the other half. I'm using black acrylic paint and a round end brush to create some elongated dots. While the paint is drying, I'm cutting the floral foam to the right thickness to fit on the back of the canvas. If you're not familiar with floral foam, you'll see it's very easy and very satisfying to cut. I cutted the canvas using the utility knife, approximately in the center following the diagonal, making an X cut. I finished with the scissors once the first cut was done because it was much easier. I glued the foam with the hot glue gun, but to be honest with you, I'm not sure this was the best option in that case. Plus, I glued it at the wrong place. You know, there are days like that, I guess. Anyway, after I fixed that mistake, I took the faux succulent and realized that the metal wire was too long, so I cut it a bit. Then I inserted the succulent in the foam, and there's no rules for that, just do it the way it looked best to you. The second one with a black background using acrylic and some gold splatter. I use gold spraying paint because I haven't found a nice regular paint that is really gold yet. I'm simply spraying a good amount in a cup, and with a brush I'm creating the splatters. I'm using the same method as earlier, but this time I place the succulent in the corner. If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to put a thumbs up, leave a comment, and also subscribe. À bientôt!